Hello and welcome to this introductory video to the CrashMap Pro data export template. So this is a template that will allow you to produce charts and data tables from the exported CrashMap Pro data. So let's open up CrashMap Pro and let's select some crashes using the select tool. So you can use any of these. Let's select by rectangle. We'll select this region here and view the crashes in the attribute table. And we'll also want to view the related records, so the vehicles and the casualties. So we've got three tables here, so let's export those to CSV. So export selected to CSV. And the same with the related casualties and vehicles. Okay, so export to CSV. And export to CSV. Excellent. Let's go back to our template. And there's a button here to import crashes. So let's find what we've just downloaded. So that'll be in Downloads, Crashes. And that's imported the data there, so there's a tab down here, now Crashes. And that will have all the crash data we've just downloaded. We can import the casualties too. So Downloads, Casualties, and the vehicles. There we go, so we have these three new tabs with the downloaded data, and alongside these there are crashes charts. So there are a selection of charts, pre-produced analyses of the data just downloaded, so we can look at crashes by severity, by year, by police officer attended, by number of vehicles, number of casualties, road type, speed limit, weather conditions, road surface conditions, light conditions, junction detail, pedestrian crossing. There's also charts for casualties, so these are casualties broken down by gender, by severity, by casualty class, by age band, pedestrian location and movement, and vehicles. There's gender, vehicle type, essentially all of the attributes available in CrashMap Pro. And this is updated regularly whenever new data is brought in. So yeah, all of this is customizable. It's an Excel template, so you can change the color scheme, you can change the logos just to match needs. And yeah, a really simple way of producing analyses straight out of CrashMap. Great, thanks for listening.